In the previous video, we learned how to search for our project by using both the categories pull-down menu and a keyword. We then selected and customized a ready-to-make vinyl project. In this video, we'll prep our materials, cut our design, and prepare the cut vinyl to apply to our jar. Anytime you're ready, click Make It. Notice that our project is broken into 3 mats. That's because we're using 3 different colors. Each gets cut on its own mat. Position the vinyl for the first mat. Make sure the paper liner is facing the mat and in the upper left corner. To eliminate waste, when you cut your vinyl down, just make sure it's just a little larger than your actual design. Click Continue. If you're using Cricut Maker, select Vinyl from the Set Material menu. If you're using a Cricut Explore machine, use Vinyl on the dial to achieve the perfect kiss cut. Now make sure the fine point blade is inserted into clamp B, and load the mat into your machine by clicking the Load Unload button, and press Go when you're ready. When the first cut is finished, carefully remove the vinyl from the mat. Now repeat that process for your remaining 2 mats. And when all your cuts are finished, we're ready to prep the design for application. First, carefully remove the excess cut vinyl from the design. Make sure the design stays attached to the liner. For the smaller pieces, grab your weeder tool and start removing all the pieces that don't belong. It's usually best to work from top to bottom. Once it's fully weeded, grab some transfer tape. Cut a piece roughly the size of your design. Now remove the liner and carefully lay the transfer tape over your vinyl. If you get any air bubbles, just smooth them out, just like that. Now you're ready to apply your vinyl, and in the next video, that's exactly what we'll do.